So here's a quick video about my oil leak. So down in there where I'm shining the flashlight, I don't know if this is going to focus or not. I'll try, right down there. You can see right where I'm shining the light. There's some oil coming, and then on top of that air conditioner hose, there's some oil. When I look all around here, like I know a typical area can be the oil filter housing. That's all completely dry. I don't know if you can see on the edge of that belt, there's a little bit of oil. I got under the car and looked around. I do see some oil somewhere on the other side of that. I don't know what's right in the middle there, but it's not really dripping down straight down. It's just coming from that direction and landing right down in there. Trying to get that focus. Hopefully it focused. So, any ideas what the heck could be causing that type of oil leak? There is a little bit of oil like in the intake piping. It's dripping out a little bit, but I'm not sure how that would make its way over here. But anyway, yeah, if you have any insight, let me know.